I am Subhrojit De, the Assistant Professor of St. Mary Technical Campus, Kolkata. I just presenting my final project. I just make the final project in my Google Classroom. Now I want to share the screen by which I can share the my final project in here. So here you see this is my project is wireless communication and engineering in my Google form. I already make the people connected in the peoples in here, the students, number of the students connected here. And after that, I'm just telling the projects in this. My first one is my the course announcement in when the course will be announced open. Then this is the my first thing, and then after that I becoming the introductions of that of the courses, that is the introduction module. That is given here the introductions outlet, the course outlet, and the schedules, and here the prior knowledge of the assessment. This is the schedule here. I already seen in that schedule here. And then after that I am presenting this is on this is the module, the introductory module. After that, this is my lesson plan, and make the lesson plan I attach with here with the total lesson plan of my course, that is based totally in blended mode in Microsoft in Google Classroom, and also online Microsoft Team. And then this is my data evaluation process. This is the evaluation process. How can we evaluate? This means evaluation process is your assignment and the quiz and the final quiz and on the feedback form. That is my total evaluation process is the government that is actually added here. And after the completing this one, I just put input some videos lecture from the that is my video lecture of the introductions of the course. And another one is the this is the introduction of the course. Here I already introduced. And the next is our GSM architecture, that is also I input here. This is this is my my videos. And this one the course videos, and these one are the materials. There is my introductions of PPT, and the introductions of PPT introductions. And there is the PPT introductions. And course control here, that is this one. And this one is my introductory part. This is the introduction part. This is the transmission fundamentals. This one is the cellular network. These are the 4 or 5 videos I already uploaded here. Is you see this is a codings. This one is a different type of videos already I am uploaded in that process. And here you see this is one is the another part of the course materials video. And this is our the make a decision form, which is a decision form is already made here. It is a one type of decision form. Any decision you can write if you want to write and submit. You can submit here. There is not a big deal. And another part is I am already attached here, that is my uh, project work given the project of the student, that is also given, and instructions is that is given by the this is a project is given email ID, roll number, name, and the GSM system of the design. After the completed project, if a student can submit this one with the help of the submit button. Then after that, I completing this one, I just give in the I just give the stream and go to here, and this is the feedback form. I already that is given here also. There is a feedback form in assigned, and this is the instruction of the feedback form that is also given in Google form. This is email ID and roll number, and the communication skill and the very good quality, etc. Name and roll number, all the things are attached here with. And another more thing, here I am completing this one. After that, I am here I just instructed and classroom in this. Here I am giving all those things with including the assignments and the quiz also, I am giving here the quiz, and the quiz, this is the quiz I am giving on the students, the quiz form. This is the questions, email ID, name, and roll number. This is the questions, total 5 questions. In the 5 questions, total for 10 marks. And give the assignment also the student. There is I am giving the two assignments in this case. This in this this one is given, and this is total procedure, total total scenario, and the people which is connected in here. And this one is my total presentations of the my materials, and my submissions, and the total including the all those things. This is the course materials, and my topic is the first, the wireless communication and network, and this one is my stream, where all those things are reflected, as well as the my classwork is all the classwork is given here. Student click and they will see all those things they're getting. And this is the project. Students get some projects, as well as assignment, also the quiz assignment, and the people who are already added here. This is the people already added here. And the graded system, already giving the graded system, and according to that I am performing then this one. Thank you so much. Thank you once again. Thank you.